In this video, I will show you how to simply use Google Maps offline without internet. Let me show you how. Open up your Google Maps. Having opened up your Google Maps, you need to make sure you download the location or district or particular state or street that you want to use as offline data. You need to make sure you download it when you have internet. This is very good if you are a traveler and you cannot determine the time and the accuracy of internet based on your journey. So it is advisable that you use the offline data. How do you do that? You bear in mind that you know where you are going. First thing first, go ahead and click on search right here. Let's say, for instance, I'm going to Lagos State. And I believe so much that by the time I get to Lagos Island right here, there may not be internet. How can we actually work on this and use this particular map as offline without internet as soon as I get to Lagos Island? So what you need to do here, where you bring out the map right here, next thing you want to do is to slide this way. This will allow you to see more. Slide this way, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on more right here, just like so. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on download offline map, and it's going to take you right here. Then what you need to do right here is to simply adjust the map, adjust to the area that you are interested in, just like so. Once you adjust the area you are interested in, you'll be given the number of megabytes right here. Just go ahead and click on download. I'm going to go ahead and hit on download. Download over mobile network to avoid data charges. Download over a Wi-Fi network. Simply click on download now. Downloading started and will continue in the background. After successfully download, then by the time you get to this particular location, you can easily have access back to your offline map in your Google Map. Then from there, you can start to navigate and use it in offline map without internet for as long as you get to the particular location that you know there won't be an internet. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use Google Map, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.